Opposition politician NelsoncHamisa's popularity continues to shape the country's politics, with his image now dominating campaign posters in Chikomba Ward 10 by-election, even though he is not on the ballot. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino inyasoratidza kuti aiwa Chamisa's popularity iri kunyatsa kusheka the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ndokuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina munamo kudani kwa mchinzi. Independent candidate Tawanda Muchenje is boldly featured Chamisa's image alongside that of the late Citizen Coalition for Change CCC Councillor Amos Reza, whose tragic death in a motorbike accident triggered the July 26 by-election. The move has sparked panic within ZANU-PF ranks, prompting the party's candidate Tafadzwa Mukandi to lodge a complaint with the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZVAITWA in courts. And if the independent candidate should not write on someone else's popularity, Mukandi protested during a ZVAITWA-led multi-party liaison meeting. Voters might think Chamisa endorses him, which is not true. But Muchenje's campaign team insists Chamisa's image reflects the values the candidate represents. We will use whatever resonates with the people, said campaign manager Emmanuel Punongwe. Chamisa's leadership still inspires many. The growing trend of independent candidates using Chamisa's image, even after his departure from CCC, underscores the former opposition leader's deep-rooted influence, particularly in rural communities. Despite being sidelined by a 2023 internal party coup led by self-styled Secretary General TSHABANGU, Chamisa's political vision continues to animate the aspirations of aspiring leaders. Ironically, even Chabangu has used Chamisa's image in party communications in admission, perhaps, of the former CCC leader unrivaled appeal. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino anyasoratidza kuti aiwa Chamisa's influence panguva ino aiwa inyasoratidza kuti iri kusheka the ruling party ZANU-PF, zvokuti ivo vakutotya kuti pamaballots nyangwe Chamisa asiri kukontesta atonzi ngaashayikwe, noda kuti wanyaziva kuti Chamisa aiwa anyaso kutsvaira vese. Ndinakume section medu kuti mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.